Welcome to the audio series for Tri-Quattro Piano Programme, Level 1, Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you will have received the worksheet from your Tri-Quattro approved tutor. This audio file is for worksheet TQP L1 M79B, the ice cream intervals. Learning about sound. Listen to the questions and use your felt tip pens or crayons to draw the number of scoops of ice cream for the intervals that you hear. The first question is draw scoops of chocolate ice cream. The interval is how many scoops of chocolate ice cream would you draw? The second question is to draw scoops of strawberry ice cream for this interval. And the third question is to draw scoops of blueberry ice cream for this interval. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with worksheet TQP L1 M79B. Please complete the worksheet and send it to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Tri-Quattro approved tutor, please send it to info@staythebridgemusicacademy.com, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP L1 M79B. This is the end of the audio file.